Just wanted to show you some things you may not know about this car. First, you have a regular mirror, but you also have a digital mirror. Also, you have a button here that you can click and see everything in front of the vehicle. So if you're trying to park or see any other vehicles around the car, you can see completely the entire front end through these cameras. Third, you have a MagSafe charger built into the car between both seats. This particular Stingray is honoring 70 years of Corvette, as you can see here with this badge. Thanks for watching.